Hey, word workers, welcome back to Word Work. Today, we're exploring some useful kitchen vocabulary. Let's jump right in and learn some new words. Apron. While working in the kitchen, wear an apron to keep your clothes clean. Baking tray. Roast vegetables or bake cookies on a baking tray. Blender. Use a blender to make perfect smoothies, soups, and sauces. Bottle. Store things like water, juice, or oil in a bottle. Bottle opener. Use a bottle opener to open a bottle that has a cap. Bowl. Mix ingredients, serve salads, or enjoy some soup in a bowl. Broom. Use a broom to sweep the kitchen or help keep it clean. Butter dish. Store butter in a butter dish to keep it fresh. Butter knife. Use a butter knife to spread butter, jam, or cream cheese on bread or bagels. Casserole dish. Make healthy meals like lasagna or casseroles in a casserole dish. Chopsticks. Use chopsticks to eat things like sushi, noodles, or rice. Cleaver. Chop meats and vegetables with a cleaver. Clock. Use a clock in the kitchen to help track time while cooking. Colander. Drain water from pasta, wash fruits and vegetables, or rinse rice using a colander. Corkscrew. Easily open a bottle of wine with a corkscrew. Cup. Start your day with a warm cup of coffee or tea. Cup and saucer. You can have your tea or coffee from a cup and saucer set. Cupboard. Store dishes, cups, food items, and kitchen utensils in a cupboard. Cutlery. Cutlery includes knives, forks, and spoons we use to eat our meals. Cutting board. Use a cutting board for chopping vegetables, fruits, and meats. Deep fryer. When you want to make crispy fries or perfect fried chicken, use a deep fryer. Dish rack. After washing your dishes, leave them to air dry in a dish rack. Dishwasher. If you have a large family or work in a restaurant, a dishwasher is great for cleaning dishes. Egg slicer. Use an egg slicer to get perfect boiled egg slices for salads and sandwiches. Fire extinguisher. Put out small fires in the kitchen with a fire extinguisher. Fork. We usually eat most foods with a fork. Fridge. A fridge or refrigerator keeps drinks cold and foods fresh. Funnel. Use a funnel to pour liquids into containers with small openings to prevent spills. Garlic press. A garlic press makes mincing garlic fast and easy. Gas stove. Many homes still use a gas stove for cooking. Glass. Drink beverages like water, juice, or wine from a glass. Grater. Shred cheese and vegetables with a grater. Ice cream scoop. Serve up some delicious ice cream with an ice cream scoop. Jar. Keep the kitchen organized by storing cereal, beans, and spices in a jar. Jug. Store or serve milk, water, or juice from a jug. Juicer. Use a juicer to make and enjoy fresh homemade fruit or vegetable juice anytime. Kettle. Boil water in a kettle to make tea or add to foods when cooking. Kitchen scissors. Kitchen scissors are handy for cutting herbs, opening packages, or even trimming pastry. Kitchen sink. Wash your hands, rinse vegetables, and clean dishes in the kitchen sink. Kitchen table. The kitchen table is the heart of the kitchen. Gather with family, enjoy meals together, and even do homework around the kitchen table. Kitchen towel. Use a kitchen towel to dry dishes, wipe spills, and keep your hands clean while cooking. Knife. A knife is one of the most important utensils in any kitchen. Use it to cut, slice, and dice ingredients. Knife set. A knife set includes various knives for different tasks, like chopping vegetables, slicing bread, or carving meat. Ladle. A ladle is a large spoon that makes it easy to serve soups, stews, and sauces. Lemon squeezer. A lemon squeezer makes squeezing juice from lemons or limes very easy. Matchbox. A matchbox contains matches used for lighting gas stoves, candles, or barbecues. Measuring cup. A measuring cup helps to accurately measure liquids and dry ingredients when baking and cooking. Measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are used to measure small amount of ingredients like spices, baking powder, or extracts. Microwave. Using a microwave is a quick and convenient way to heat food, pop popcorn, or defrost frozen food. Mixer. A mixer makes mixing batter, whipping cream, or kneading dough fast and easy. Mug. A mug is used for drinking hot beverages like coffee, tea, or hot chocolate. Oven mitt. Use oven mitts when handling hot pots and pans to protect your hands from burns. Pan. When frying, sautéing, or cooking foods on the stovetop, use a cooking pan. Paper towels. Use some paper towels for quick cleanups, drying hands, or wiping surfaces. Pestle and mortar. A pestle and mortar is used for grinding spices, herbs, or garlic. Pizza slicer. Use a pizza slicer to cut any pizza into perfect slices every time. Plate. He is serving some food on the plate. Potato masher. A potato masher helps you mash potatoes or other vegetables into a smooth, creamy consistency. Pressure cooker. If you have little time and want to cook some stews, soups, or tough meats, use a pressure cooker. Rolling pin. Use a rolling pin to roll out doughs for pastries, cookies, or pizza. Rubbish bin. Dispose of kitchen waste and trash in a rubbish bin to keep your kitchen clean and tidy. Salt and pepper shakers. Use salt and pepper shakers to add salt and pepper to season food at the table. Sandwich maker. A sandwich maker is handy for making hot toasted sandwiches. Saucepan. Use a saucepan for cooking sauces, boiling water, or making soups. Scale. A scale helps to measure ingredients accurately by weight, especially when baking. Sieve. A sieve is used for straining liquids or sifting dry ingredients like flour. Slotted spoon. A slotted spoon is perfect for lifting foods like boiled vegetables or fried foods to let liquids drain away. Spatula. A spatula is versatile for flipping, stirring, and spreading foods. Spice containers. Spice containers keep your spices organized in the pantry. Sponge. A sponge is used for cleaning dishes and surfaces and helps to keep the kitchen sparkling clean. Teapot. Use a teapot to brew and serve your favorite tea. Thermos. While on the go, use a thermos to keep beverages hot or cold for hours. Toaster. A toaster is great for toasting bread or bagels. It can also warm up pastries. Tongue. A tongue is used for picking up and turning foods while cooking or serving. Waffle maker. Use a waffle maker to cook delicious waffles. Whisk. Use a whisk for beating eggs, mixing batters, or whipping cream. Wok. A wok is a versatile pan used for stir frying, steaming, or deep frying in Asian cuisine. Wooden spoon. Cream butter and sugar or stir food using a wooden spoon. And that's a wrap, word workers. I hope you have learned some useful kitchen vocabulary. Thank you for joining. See you next time on Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. Show some love. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video is posted. Until next time, happy cooking!